So we now have our two pieces. We're going to start assembling. So we're going to insert. And I'm going to make this piece the center because I like how he's placed. And then we're going to place them together and see how things look. So I'm going to use a mate connector. I'm going to use that spot right there. And nope. All right, let's do this piece by piece. I need to, let's take this piece and let's rotate him into position. And we need to rotate him 180 this way. Now I'm going to try again with the fix. I'm going to grab this spot here and so something's not quite right. The spacing. So let's go back to my rubber piece. And let's go look at the where I make that piece there. Nope, it's actually going to be handled back in stretch 1. It has to do with this distance right here. So the short side to 0.75. 0.75. Let's go back over here. And that made it worse. Maybe my got things flipped over. Sorry, 1.125. Double check my metal bracket, make sure that piece is right. .685, that's good. So that's correct. Let's do 0.9. Point 7. Why is that not updating? Oh, there we go. It is updating. All right, so we're gonna go back here. Nope. You have to fully finish the sketch before it updates the assembly. There we go. So my second measurement is right. There's a little flex. That's fine. Let's start biting in because it probably doesn't sit exactly there. So that's good. So now I'm going to take and create a variable. Oh, apparently you cannot set variables. Good to know. All right. We're going to set this with an offset on the z-axis of 1 inch. And we'll make that negative 1 inch. And that looks like a good start. While we're here, let's go and add in some pieces. I have a bunch of different metric screws. And looking at my, oh, there we go. I think I have a lot of 10 and 12 millimeter. I have mostly 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter is my most common. So let's work off 12 millimeter screws. Gives me a lot of room to work with. So I'm going to go into my here, and we're going to insert standard component. We're going to do ISO because we're metric. Bolts and screws. Socket head screw, 12 millimeter, 12 stainless steel. Insert. Insert. All right. Now we're going to make these. That's good. So that looks really good. That gives me my setup for my screws. Now, next step is to build my actual plastic piece that's going to go between those. And I'll do that in the next video.